BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 18 of season 3. Today's word is ethic. Do you know what it means? It means a set of moral principles which may relate to a particular field. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word ethic. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Ethic is spelled as E-T-H-I-C. Ethic means rules or morals. It is an ability of understanding and following what is good or bad and behaving accordingly. The ability of understanding that stealing is a bad thing and helping others is a good thing. Being ethical in society means accepting the rules of society. Being ethical in profession means following work ethic. An ethical person is the one who behaves according to the rules accepted by everyone. Avoiding bad and accepting good practices can be called ethical behavior. For example, Jack is a businessman. He owns a small business of clothing. He always pays his bills on time. He always provides good quality products. He is known for his honesty. People trust Jack. Here, Jack is an ethical person who has excellent business ethic. Listen carefully how we can use the word ethic in 8 different forms in 8 different contexts. Example number 1 of 8. Some people are intrigued or curious by Buddhist ethics and find them very easy to follow. This means that they can easily follow the principles of Buddha. Example number 2 of 8. The doctor was unethical and he prescribed expensive treatments even when they were not necessary. Example number 3 of 8. Tony is well known in his office because of his strong work ethic. This means that Tony is well known in his office as a person who works in the expected way and is dedicated. Example number 4 of 8. The Law and Compliance Department was always vigilant or aware to follow all the laws, as corporate ethics had to be followed. What is common between Economic Times, DNA newspaper and Zee Marathi? All these top media houses have covered success stories of BM English speaking professionals who have learned to speak English fluently and confidently. Do check our testimonial section on our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Susan feels that in order to succeed, she may have to compromise her ethics. But in reality, if she wants to progress in her career, she must display excellent work ethics. Don't you agree with me? Example number 6 of 8. According to Aristotle, how people live in a society is also ethics. This means that people who live in a society with a set of moral principles means that they follow ethics. Example number 7 of 8. Hacking computers is a bad practice and illegal when it is done with a wrong intention. But there are ethical hackers who help companies secure their data. Isn't that interesting? Did you know about this before? Example number 8 of 8. Chan is a manager who never does anything that goes against his ethics. He values his moral principles a lot. Hence, his employees respect him and aspire to be like him. Means they want to be like him. Today we learn the word ethic, which means a set of moral principles which may relate to a particular field. Can you frame 3 sentences with ethic and type in our comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enrich your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. Do subscribe to our podcast, BM English Speaking Radio, and stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. This was episode number 18 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned for you. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 a.m. with a new word. Till then, take care.